Ever wondered why you might smell bad despite maintaining good hygiene? It's a puzzling paradox, isn't it? We often link body odor to poor hygiene, but what happens when the smell lingers, even after a thorough scrub? It's like an unsolved mystery, a perplexing riddle that leaves you scratching your head. But rest assured, you're not alone in this aromatic conundrum. It's not just you. This is a common experience, and there's more to it than meets the nose. So, what's really behind that stubborn smell? Well, the science of smell is fascinating and more complex than you might think. Body odor isn't actually caused by sweat alone. Sweat, in its pure form, is completely odorless. It's when sweat meets the bacteria on our skin that things start to get a little funky. These bacteria break down the sweat, creating byproducts that have a distinctive smell. But it's not just a simple sweat and bacteria equation. There are other factors at play like diet, stress, and hormones. These can alter both the amount and type of sweat we produce, and consequently our body odor. Your spicy dinner last night, or that stressful meeting this morning. They can both contribute to the aroma you're giving off. Even more interesting is that we all have different types and amounts of bacteria living on our skin. This means that the same sweat can smell completely different on two people. It's not just about sweat and bacteria, though. There's more to this odoriferous mystery. Now we're going to delve a little deeper into the factors that can affect our body odor. You see, it's not always about the frequency of showers or the strength of your deodorant. There are deeper factors at play. For instance, your genes have a significant role. Some individuals are genetically predisposed to produce more sweat, which can lead to a stronger body odor. Who knew that body odor could be a family affair? Then there's your diet. You are, quite literally, what you eat. Certain foods like garlic, onions, and spicy dishes can cause your body to emit a stronger odor. And let's not forget about medical conditions. Conditions such as hyperhidrosis, which causes excessive sweating, or particular metabolic disorders, can result in a distinct body odor. It's a complex puzzle with pieces that go beyond simple hygiene. So, as you can see, sometimes it's not just about how often you shower or what deodorant you use. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Well, let's recap. Body odor doesn't always equate to poor hygiene. It's a complex interplay of various factors. Our diet, stress levels, hormonal changes, genetic predisposition, and certain medical conditions can all contribute to how we smell. It's not as straightforward as we often assume. Next time you catch a whiff of something unpleasant, remember, it's not always about the soap and water. Sometimes it's just biology doing its thing. Before we end, let's make one thing clear. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to our health, the more we know, the better we can take care of ourselves. That's why we delve into these intriguing, sometimes puzzling topics. We hope you find them as fascinating and informative as we do. If you want more insightful health topics like this, kindly like, share, and subscribe. Remember, health is a journey we take together. So let's explore, understand, and grow healthier together.